What if the clothes you threw away last year came back as the very sewing thread in your hands now? These mountains of used clothes are bought by this factory from our country for 500 yuan a jin. Simple processing turns them into this cotton thread. Seeing this, I silently glanced at my sewing box, and my expression was just like your phone's fifth emoji. We're familiar with recycling scrap metal and paper, but clothing recycling is much less common. After all, a garment worth hundreds, when sold by weight, is worth even less than cardboard. But this factory has a clever trick. UV sanitized through a machine. This machine shreds and grinds the clothes into pieces, instantly spitting them out from the other end. A worker is carefully screening the material to remove any hard objects from the batch. Once sorted, workers bag the fragments and carry them to the workshop, where they prepare for the next step. Without his mask, this young man would probably inhale several pounds of dust in just one day. This machine also shreds, but with much greater precision than the one before. It turns most clothing into a fluffy, cotton-like material. I have to say, this looks a lot like that cotton jacket in your closet. Shredded twice. It's then transported to the next workshop. Here, the workers use a roller system to perform the initial shaping of the cotton batting. Once the cotton batting is pressed, a young man bundles the loose material together. He picks it up with his bare hands, stuffing it directly into the machine. To load more, he even gets in the hopper to pack it down with his own body. This move seems very dangerous, and in fact, it is. After pushing back and forth 5 or 6 times, the young man finally closed the hatch. Instantly, the cotton was compressed into a tight bundle, easily weighing over Once weighed and marked, the cotton is moved to the next workshop. Like the young man before her, this lady is just as capable. This workshop uses machines to clean, screen, and shred the cotton batting, which is then rolled and shaped. At the output, the batting is formed into long rolls. Next, the rolls of cotton batting go to the next processing stage. Here, workers use machines for more detailed processing. We're not experts in this field, so we don't know this machine's name. If anyone watching knows, please educate us all. This machine processes the cotton batting into excellent quality slivers. Now at this stage, it's not far from becoming a finished product. The cotton slivers are removed, and this machine spins them into thread, and with that, the recycling and processing work on the old clothes is basically complete. So friends, can you guess what this bow tie cotton thread is generally used for?